So today we are going to simultaneously hurt and show your favorite streamers that you love them. So kind of the biggest way that we're going to do this is kind of a twofold thing. So we're going to start off with like how you can show your favorite supporters you support them, but in a very like easy way to set up that you can actually look at like constantly basically. So for this is basically the chat element of it all. So as I think most everyone knows, Twitch basically has an IRC backend for chat, and it actually works really, really well. So the only issue that I foresaw when thinking about this one was some of the others like Trovo or YouTube don't use the same backend, so like finding a third-party client might be the only would be about your only option to keeping track of like stream chats that you're watching. But Twitch chat is pretty simple. So basically one of the first things you need, and we're starting off with Twitch chat because I think this is a more involved portion of like the twofold thing is like participating in chat, so showing that you're actually there, and Twitch chat is simultaneously the easiest and also the like more involved in this process. So you'll just go to twitchapps.com/TMI and you'll connect your Twitch chat account to it, and it'll give you an OAuth token. So what this OAuth token is for your IRC client. So we'll pull up, if I can spell even, XChat, because this is probably one of the easier ones to use, but the same principle applies to any IRC client that you're going to use. You'll just, once we pull it up, and each IRC client will have their own process for adding an account. You just have to check the documentation, helps like quick start guides or what on how to do it. So everything comes up. I've actually got a few Twitch chats in here already. So, you know, we've got Bob Ross Twitch chat here. But so the thing we'll do is we'll go into, where was it? Preferences. Actually, no, it was the new network list, yes. So what you'll come in and do I have that set up? So we can go, where was it? Edit. So basically, Twitch will have like what you need to put in for it, but you'll basically put in irc.chat.twitch.tv/6667, which is, so you've got the URL / the port, and then irc.twitch.tv and then the same port. So those are your servers that you'll add for it, and you'll just click add and then put it in right there. So the next thing is, if you have a different username that you want to use, you'll put that in the nickname, and then any like a second choice if you really need it, which you don't at all for Twitch. And then here's the part that you need the OAuth token code for, is you'll put it in place of the password. And because you're not going to use your normal password, you're going to use that OAuth token as your password because it's more secure that way than using your regular password. And then you can just close it out and then connect to it, and then it'll connect right up. And so you can see that if I look at my own chat, I've actually got some users that show up in the user list here on the site, including the Restream bot. But so, and stream elements, and then like a couple others that I'm not quite sure about. But yeah. And then you've got Bob Ross that constantly has everybody looking at it. And so depending on your chat client, it'll tell you who comes in and who leaves into chat, which if you're a streamer keeping track of that is very helpful. If you're someone else keeping track of that, it tells you like who comes in and who leaves, who loads up chat basically. So the other one that I have configured for it. No, wrong key. So you've also got come on, buddy. There we go. So WeChat works the same way. You can check the documentation on how that works. I can go back to mine, and again, you see that it is showing slightly differently than XChat is, but it will display your chat nonetheless, as you can see from the past logs that I have. So and that's basically Twitch chat is pretty simple to work with. Doing it with YouTube and the others is probably a little bit more involved or requiring a third-party client. And if you're really up for it, the other option is Chatty, which uses the IRC backend, which uses your standard Twitch account to do it as it is. So that's looking at chatting in your favorite streamer's chat easily. It'll work. It works really well. The next thing is watching it, and I think most everyone is familiar with it on doing this. And you're just using MPV, literally. Like, and I can go, let me find. So you use it for YouTube videos and the like that way. So I can go to Twitch, and actually this method I'm pretty sure is ad-free as well, which is the nice part. I don't care. Mute you. Okay. Let me find a good topic. So we'll just put in our random streamer here and then pop it up. And you can see that it actually pulls up the stream. And what's nice about this is it doesn't use ads. So this is a crystal clear stream, crystal clear Nuzlocke stream, but yeah. So this method is ad-free, and you can use this with like VLC as well. So if I go in here and I go and do it with VLC, it does the exact same thing. It'll just take a second to load. If it wants to. MPV was a lot quicker. Yeah. So basically, MPV is probably your preferred way to do it, honestly. Yeah, see, much quicker. And look, it actually, downloads pretty well too. But so what if I want to have a list of streamers that I want to be able to pull up at a moment's notice and not think about it? What I would recommend for this one is, again, another dmenu implementation. So if we go to Twitch, okay, so got scripts and Twitch viewer. Actually, let's go Twitch sublist. And yes, I'm just gonna like literally write this out right here because, yeah. We get to our shebang line, then sh, and then we go NPV, and actually, yeah, we'll do that. What was it? We want a single quote, and we do that thing. Let me. Okay, here we go. And so we go https://. And then I believe if we fill in with, where's my dollary $$ sign. Subs. Okay. And then subs, if I can spell correctly, equals let's see. Asprey and come on, pick the right slash and okay, and we'll add another, if I can, okay. So what this should do is, actually no, that's the wrong section. Dmenu. And what was it? See, even I forget this stuff. I've been playing with Dolly locally on my machine. Sorry, guys. Pick a streamer. So if you know that they're online, then this can be like a quick way for you to have your viewer ripped and roaring to go. Actually, we need to echo minus E. Okay, now that should work. Now if I gotta chmod it. Where'd it go? Okay. Okay, this should give us what we need then. Okay, see? Had to work out a couple kinks. I thought I could do it, like, very simply. I'm sure there's a way to. But now I can go and pick that one. Really? Haha, it works pretty well. Okay, so yeah. They're in the middle of a commercial break, obviously. But we do not get that because we're special. Okay, so yeah, no commercials, but if they do accidentally go into a commercial break, yeah, that does happen. So, yeah, that's one way. So, let's pick another one. So I guess this is what it does when you first come in an MPV, depending on the streamer. So it'll give you this one, you have to wait a few seconds, and then you can get in. But other than that, you can still keep track of chat from there. So that's one easy way that you can actually watch your streams without actually dealing with the ads. You're just getting a funky screen for when they go into something. So, and then, and that's also a method that you can use to keep track of your streamers and watch them whenever you know that they're online, whether you get an alert or what have you. So, if you found this helpful, I know this is probably going to hurt metrics per se for various streamers, including myself, but I know some people care about that stuff, and if you're one of those people, you know, show your support to those that you watch. Let them know that, like, you're still there, I guess, but at the same time that you're enjoying what they're doing. And yeah, I've got a Discord, XMPP, chat, that kind of stuff, and those are going to be linked down below. And I will add this example of the viewer script to the description as well. And I will see you guys later.